everybody, it is football season. And you know, half of the fun of going to football games or watching football games is the socializing. So if you are having a tailgate party, if you are having a gathering at your house, or you're going to someone else's home, this is the cocktail you want to serve. It's called the Touchdown, and it is super simple and so tasty, and is perfect for game day. Here's the rundown of ingredients we're going to use. We are using vodka, and I am using Grey Goose. Use your favorite brand. And orange juice, this is simply orange. I have Ocean Spray Cranberry Juice and 7-Up. Any lemon lime drink will do, but I'm using 7-Up. So let's get started. If you're going to a tailgate party or you're going to someone's home, why not mix this up in a large container? But if you are having all of your guests to your home, make it a signature cocktail. You can have beer, any other drinks, but I would have a signature cocktail. It's always easier than standing behind the bar mixing everyone's drinks. In our case, we might mix the first drink and then everyone is welcome to make their own drink after that. But you can mix up a batch of Touchdown and have it ready for your guests when they arrive. But today, let's make 2 cocktails. You can make your cocktails either shaken or stirred. And we're going with stirred, and the reason is, if you've ever shaken a cocktail with cranberry juice in it, you know mistakes can be made. So today, we're going to do stirred. Let's begin with ice. Now, if you're doing this in a shaker, put the ice in the shaker first, but we're doing this in the glass, so let's do both cocktails at the same time. If you're making this in the shaker, just put the ice in the shaker. However, if you're making it in the glass, just include the ice first, and then you can build your cocktail on top of it. Now, I believe this ice scoop is Arthur Court, but I will make sure, and I'll link it below if I can find it. So if you are a Florida Gator fan, this is for you. 2 ounces of vodka, each glass. Four ounces of orange juice, and I put this in pitchers simply because it's so difficult to pour 2 ounces at a time from a huge container. One ounce of cranberry juice, and there are options for this cocktail. You could use passion fruit or apricot juice, but we're using cranberry juice. And a splash of 7-Up or your favorite lemon lime drink. And another substitute is, if you do not want to use soda in your drink, you could use a splash of lemon, and you could use club soda if you would like that little bit of fizz to it, or nothing at all. It does not matter. This is very versatile, and I'm going to put maybe about an ounce just to give it a little fizz. Set those to the side for a moment, and we are going to make our garnish. You can either use an orange slice. Ooh, this is a pretty orange. Or you can use lemon. And you'll notice that most of the ingredients I'm using are ingredients most of us have in our home. So there aren't a lot of items that you have to go out and purchase if you usually keep orange juice on hand and maybe some cranberry juice, especially during the holidays when we need it for other recipes. So I am going to garnish this with a slice of, let's move these back here so you can see them very clearly, a slice of orange. And I'm putting an extra slice of lime on these with the oranges. Isn't that pretty? And then you can squeeze that into your drink if you'd like. I think that garnish is gorgeous. A quick stir. And you can serve this up for yourself or your guests. Cheers. I think this will be a hit at your football gathering. And don't forget, if you go to a tailgate party, be sure to take a couple of batches, put them in the ice in the cooler, and they're good for the entire day and into the evening. When you make this recipe, if you made any substitutes, let us know. Did you add sweetener? Did you add other fruit juices? And if you did, how did that turn out? We'd all like to know. And don't you think this cocktail could be used for other events as well? Just change up the garnish. And if you like the cocktail, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, you know I would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram. Bye.